Well, today is definitely not going to be an issue where to find my car today. Just go all the way to the freaking end of the row. Congaloosh. I told you I'd be back in just a few days, and I'm with company today. Hi, hon.
Hello.
Isn't she, even with the mask on, she looks lovely. So, Festival of the Arts. Now, you can see today, I think it's the 4th day, and this mural is nearly done. I guess we should jump into it before they tear it down. They put up a new one. In times past, you just walk up and you paint wherever, but now they tell you to go to a designated spot because, you know, reasons. So I'm not sure if it's like this at all the venues, but for the one over there, we have to get in line and get our paint over here, then go back in line over there. Colors 1 and 3, which is like a lavender and a purple, I think. All right, section 8. This is where we go. We have colors 1 and 3. I see a couple 3s. There's some 3s there. There's a single 1 there.
I'm seeing some 3s here. So
yeah, I've seen a lot of 3s. I don't see... All right, let's do the 3s since we see that. So here's the end result. The Van Gogh, kind of with Spaceship Earth. So that's what it's going to end up looking like. Unfortunately, they sent us to a spot where there wasn't any 1s. They gave us paint for 3 and 1, and there were no 1s. But it's all right. Wait, it's not a life or death situation. All right, let's go get some food, look at some merchandise, maybe some art. If you're going to have these construction walls all over the place, might as well make them useful. So upon completion of the treat trail, I guess, my shadow apparently, is the complimentary culinary treat. And I'm assuming this is something that would change periodically, although that picture does look kind of permanent, but it looks like a palette cookie with icing on it. All right, when I was here on Friday, I saw them, like some of the gears on this fountain extend, and you can see the video screen is lit up with guide numbers. So those are individual screens, R1, S1, T1, and whatever. So I guess that helps indicate if they need to replace a screen for a blowout or some kind of...
Thanks for visiting us today.
You're welcome.
For the health and safety.
Eating or drinking while stationary.
Do not comply.
This is the mushroom risotto.
Wash your hands often.
That looks really good. What kind of... Is that cheese right there?
Yeah, I think it was Parmesan.
Parmesan, a sliver of Parmesan cheese. And then Alicia needs to try this rose. You guys saw me try it on Friday. I loved it. I know that she's gonna like it too. All right, diving in. Yep, it's a little crunchy on the outside with the shell.
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, and in the middle.
Yeah, you can see the strawberry jam. I wasn't able to show that last time. So it's kind of layered where it looks like one flavor or something, another flavor or something, and then the strawberry jam. So,
and then your outer shell.
And then the outer chocolate shell.
And then this is glittery.
Yeah,
there's
it's
glitter to it.
I think that's just like a specialized jam as well.
It's very light.
Yeah. All right. Here we go. Wow. I can see through time and space. Wow, that's good. That is so good. You're gonna like this. You are really gonna like this. This is very rich, very good.
The wind just...
Yeah, it's not as windy as Friday, but the wind is still a factor today.
I got the cheese in there.
All right, yeah, go for it.
Wow, all the different flavor to it.
Yeah, it's like an explosion right there. I will say that the food at this festival does charge a little higher price than the other festivals do, probably because of the amount of preparation or the ingredients being used. They're higher quality, higher artistic form. So yeah, you're gonna pay a little more this time around for this short festival. It only goes till February 22nd, so it's less than 2 full months. But you're gonna get your bang's worth if you if you budget it out just right, you'll definitely get your money's worth, without a doubt.
Want to do the vanilla?
No, you can have all that. I don't need any sweets. I did notice that I forgot to take photos of the food because I usually do that for my Instagram, link down below. I forgot to do that for the risotto. Maybe we have to order it again just for that. All right, risotto was really, really good. Now we're going into the World Showplace. They got a bunch of stuff in here. All right, festival favorites. Oh, here's where the ratatouille is. I really want to try that. They also have the charcuterie, a lemon blood orange tart, and the jumbo chocolate chip cookie. So a bonus with the sepia tone lighting here at the Painter's Palette. They've got a prime steak tartare, a salt roasted beet tartare, and pistachio cake. That's part of the treat trail, so we're gonna try that. And I'm also gonna do a frozen rusty nail cocktail. All right, so starting off, we have the out of focus ratatouille. There we go. It's starting to lighten up a bit. There we go. Okay. And then we also got the other part of the, both of them are part of the treat series. I don't know, is that a treat? I guess. And this is the pistachio cake that will not focus. But you get the idea. So we have what looks like strawberry, some jam, some pistachio powder, some... It looks like a lot of sweetness going on here. And then on top of that, this is a bourbon alcoholic drink called the Rusty Nail. I like how it comes with a chocolate nail, and I could probably use this to stir it. First off, the ratatouille. Oh my goodness. Makes me dance like I'm under the sea. Not really spicy, not too strong of a flavor, although it's zucchini and squash, but still decent. It's really good. Yeah, I got no problem at all with this. It has nice little tartness to it. It's good. Pistachio. I don't know where to start with this thing. Let's get a little, I guess, a little bit of everything in there. All right. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really good. Oh, wow. That's really sweet. And lastly, the rusty nail, frozen rusty nail. Oh, that's a hard chocolate. Of course it is. It's been sitting in frozen bourbon, which is strong. Oh, that's quite good. I probably should eat some more before I go further into this, but good deal here. I'm gonna say the ratatouille, not the best thing we've had so far, but this is only the second stop we've made. So, and I don't think anything is gonna compare much to that truffle dish that we had in Canada. But I will tell you, this is a heavy, heavy pour. I think 90% of this is alcohol. This is really strong, and this is a big bang for your buck right here. Is this the pass holder shirt?
Yeah, that's the pass holder shirt.
Okay. I really like this with the abstract figment and with Dreamfinder on the pocket. That's really cool. What does it say? Oh, there's your pass holder. Limited release. So you see this piano over here. They perform music and everything. And you can see some of the performers for the physical show, like a bouncing pole dancing type of show. They're warming up, getting equipment ready, stretching out and everything. I'm going to assume they're probably a few minutes away from doing it. We're heading out at the moment, but still, it's a great show to watch if you're sitting down and eating. So back here behind in the England or UK pavilion, they have all these pieces of art, and the theming is, you could see Snow White here, you can see Sleeping Beauty over there, and over there is Mulan. And the theming is that all these pieces of art were done by other characters. So you can see Doc's signature there, you can see Flora and Merryweather, there's the signature fighting for Sleeping Beauty, and that Mushu one, or the Mulan one over there was done by Mushu, and it's all burned into the portrait, so that's a really nice touch. And this one I thought was really creative. This one's done by Maurice, the father of Belle, and you can see it's like all this steampunk, like intervention type of the drafting board from hell. Apparently, this is a really neat piece of art right here. I love it. Oh, and they claim, you can see way off in the distance over there, Donald Duck. That's why he's not in the Three Caballeros right now, because he's out here painting. That's the theme thing that they're going with.